Hello students, this is Latif sir. Today I'll discuss about ICSE class 8 chemistry. The topic is elements, compound and mixture. Today I'll discuss about different types of mixture. Different substances in different states may form a mixture, and depending on the state of components of a mixture can be of the following types. So types of mixture and their examples. First type of mixture is solid mixture. That is in this type of mixture both component of the mixture are in solid state. That is it is a solid mixture, solid in solid. Example of solid mixture: small stones in rice or dal. It is a solid mixture. Second type of mixture is solid liquid mixture. In this type of mixture, one component is solid and another component is liquid, so it is solid in liquid mixture. For example, sugar or salt in water. So sugar is solid and water is liquid. So sugar in water is solid in liquid mixture, or salt in water is also solid in liquid mixture. And next type of mixture is solid gas mixture. That is solid in gas. Example is smoke. S- Smoke consists of gases and minute suspended particles such as dust. In smoke, uh, different type of suspended particles or such as dust, uh, which forms mixture with the gaseous molecule, gas molecule like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. So smoke is a solid in gas mixture. Next type of mixture is liquid mixture. That is both component are liquid. Alcohol in water. Example is alcohol in water. Next type of mixture is gas liquid mixture. That is gas in liquid. Example is carbon dioxide gas in soft drinks or oxygen gas in water. So it is example of gas in liquid mixture. Now last type of mixture is gas in gas mixture. Example air. Air is a mixture of different gases. Water gas, natural gas. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Natural gas, uh, natural gas like methane, ethane, butane, mixture of different different gases. So these are gas and gas mixture, gas mixture. Mixture can also be classified as homogeneous and heterogeneous. Hmm. So now another types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. First, homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are distributed in uniformly throughout. That is, components are mixed equally. Okay. So a mixture in which the components are distributed uniformly throughout is called a homogeneous mixture. And the components of homogeneous mixture, the components of a homogeneous mixture are not clearly visible because they are mixed equally. And the components cannot be identified individually. So homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are distributed uniformly throughout is called a homogeneous mixture. The components of a homogeneous mixture are not clearly visible and they cannot be identified individually. Now solution is a homogeneous mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The component that get dissolved in formation of a solution is called solute, and the component in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. For example, in salt water, salt is dissolved in water, so salt is solute and water is solvent. Similarly, in sugar water solution, sugar is act as solute and water is solvent. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, and the component that gets dissolved in formation of solution is called solute, and the component in which the solid dissolve is called solvent. Okay. If a solution cannot dissolve any more solute at a specific temperature, the solution is said to be saturated. Okay. If a solution cannot dissolve any more solute at a specific temperature, the solution is said to be homogeneous. If the solution can dissolve any more solute then the at a specific temperature, then the solution is said to be unsaturated solution. Okay, if a solution can dissolve any more solute at a specific temperature, the solution is said to be unsaturated. But if a solution cannot dissolve any more solute at a specific temperature, then the solution is called saturated solution. Okay. Alloy is an alloy is a homogeneous mixture of one metal with another metal or a non-metal. What is alloy? An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of one metal with another metal or a non-metal. The components are heated to a high temperature so that they melt and after solidification form an alloy. So alloy is a homogeneous mixture of one metal with another metal or a non-metal. Okay. And to make alloy you have to heat the components, that is you have to heat one metal with another metal or non-metal. After melting they become solid. If you cool the melted substance, after solidification this mixture forms an alloy. Example of alloys: ornamental gold is an alloy of gold and copper. Ornamental gold is an alloy of gold and copper. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin, and copper and tin or aluminium. Stainless steel Stainless steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Solder wire or fuse wire is an alloy of iron and carbon. Solder wire is an alloy of tin and lead. Sorry, solder wire is an alloy of tin and lead and antimony. Okay, you have to remember the composition of these alloys. Okay, that is question will ask that write down the metals present in alloy ornament gold. Okay, you have to write the components of the ornamental gold is gold and copper. Okay, you have to remember the composition or name of the metals present in the alloy. Okay, many objects that we use in our day-to-day life are made of alloys. Now second type of mixture is heterogeneous mixture. A mixture in which the components are distributed non-uniformly is called heterogeneous mixture. Just opposite of homogeneous. In case of homogeneous, the components are mixed uniformly or distributed uniformly. But in case of heterogeneous mixture, components are distributed non-uniformly, that is non-equally, is called heterogeneous mixture. The components of such a mixture remain clearly visible and can be identified individually, while the components of a homogeneous mixture cannot be clearly visible and cannot be identified individually, but the components of a heterogeneous mixture can be clearly visible hmm, and can be identified individually. Okay, a mixture of soil and iron fillings is a heterogeneous mixture, and a mixture of chalk powder in water is a heterogeneous mixture. So example of heterogeneous mixture are soil and iron fillings, mixture of soil and iron fillings, mixture of chalk powder in water. These are heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture are usually found in the form of suspension or emulsion. So two types of heterogeneous mixture are suspension and emulsion. So first, suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. A suspension is a type of mixture in which a component does not dissolve completely into another component. A suspension is a type of mixture in which A component does not dissolve completely into another component. In such a mixture, the particles that do not dissolve remain unequally distributed throughout the mixture. Such particles may settle down when the mixture is left undisturbed for some time. Example of suspensions are chalk in water, mud in water, and dust in air. These are example of suspension. In suspension, one component does not dissolve into completely into another component. Okay. In the figure 3.1, you can see in two beaker, in the first beaker, suspension of chalk in water. If you left undisturbed this beaker for some time, after some time, you will see that the chalk particles settle down under the force of gravity. Okay. Second type of heterogeneous mixture is emulsion. An emulsion is a mixture of two or more immiscible liquids. An emulsion is a mixture of two or more normally immiscible liquids. For example, mixture of oil and water. Okay, oil, we know that oil does not mix with water. So oil and mixture of oil and water form an emulsion when mixed together. So an emulsion is a mixture of two or more normally immiscible liquids. Most of the substances that we get in nature are mixture. Milk, tea, tap water, air, honey, ink, and many other similar substances are mixture. They appear to be pure substances because they are homogeneous mixture having uniform composition. For example, honey is a homogeneous mixture of many pure substances like sugars. Which type of sugar? Glucose, fructose, maltose, and sucrose. Sugar, minerals, vitamins, enzyme, and water. Milk is a mixture of varying proportion of carbohydrate, fats, protein, and vitamins in water. Okay, thank you.